Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, where we try to make sense of the confusing world of corporate filings. And let me tell you, this one is going to be about a company that might be on thin ice. Today we are diving into Tevogen Bioholdings Incorporated's latest report, and it is not exactly a story of soaring success. This filing is all about a notice from the Nasdaq stock market, letting them know they are in danger of being kicked off the exchange. Think of it like getting a warning from school that you need to improve your grades or face the consequences. So what is the problem, you ask? It is pretty simple, really. Tevogen Bioholdings Incorporated, or TVGN as they are known on the stock market, has been having trouble keeping their stock price above a certain level. Specifically, Nasdaq has a rule that a company S stock needs to trade at a minimum of $1 per S share for a certain number of days to stay listed. For the last 30 days straight, TVGN S stock has been trading below that $1 mark. This doesn't mean they are out of business right now, but it is a serious heads-up call. Nasdaq has given them a grace period. They have until the 23rd of March 2026 to get their stock price back up to $1 or more for at least 10 consecutive business days. If they can do that, great, they are back in compliance. But if they can manage it by that deadline, things get trickier. They might be able to get another 6 months, but only if they agree to move their stock to a different, smaller exchange called the Nasdaq Capital Market. To do that, they would also have to meet other listing requirements for that market, which is essentially a step down. It is like being moved from the main stage to a side tent at a festival. Now, the company says they are going to watch the stock price closely and explore options to get back into compliance, but they are being very careful with their words, basically saying there is no guarantee they will be able to fix this. This careful wording is a big deal. It signals they are aware of the challenge and aren't making promises they can. Tiki. They are essentially saying they might try, but don't bet your house on it. On the flip side, this report doesn't give us a deep dive into the company S financials like you might see in a 10Q or 10K. This is a very specific notification filing. It is like getting a speeding ticket. It tells you what you did wrong and how long you have to fix it, but it doesn't tell you much about your car as overall engine performance. We don't have tables showing revenue, profits, or losses here. This report is purely about their listing status on the stock exchange. So, what is my take on this? Tevogen Bioholdings Incorporated is facing a significant hurdle. The fact that their stock has been under $1 for so long suggests that investors are not valuing the company. S prospects highly at the moment, at least not enough to push the share price consistently above that $1 threshold. Now, there could be many reasons for this. Maybe they have promising developments in their pipeline that the market hasn't fully recognized yet. Or perhaps there are other underlying business challenges that have led to this stock price decline. A major risk here is straightforward. Failure to regain compliance means delisting from Nasdaq. This would make it significantly harder for investors to buy and sell the company S stock, and it can severely damage the company S reputation, making it harder to raise future capital. Opportunities, however, lie in their ability to execute a turnaround. If they can indeed implement strategies that genuinely boost investor confidence and stock price, they could recover. But as the report itself hints, this is far from guaranteed. In conclusion, Tevogen Bioholdings Incorporated is in a precarious position with its Nasdaq listing. Investors should be aware of the potential for delisting and the implications that would have. The company needs to demonstrate a clear path to improving its stock price or face moving to a less prominent exchange if they even qualify for that. Alright, that is our breakdown of this filing. What is your take on Tevogen Bioholdings Incorporated's situation? Do you think they can pull it back from the brink, or is delisting inevitable? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate documents. Don't forget to check out our Discord community in the description for more discussions. Thanks for watching, see you next time.